impressed me from the way she stared. The way she stared. And the way she said, you missed the spot over there. Spot over there. And I know I think it's just a fantasy. Since your dad walked out, your mom could use a guy like me. Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I've waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see you're just not the girl for me? I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Stacy's mom. Hold up! We just want to say thank you, everyone, for being here, and we're so happy to be here in Georgia. Again, we are The Drive Home, and we have a website. Don't we have a website, Lester?
I think that website is drivehomemusic.com.
That's right.
Drivehomemusic.com.
And we want you to remember just one thing. But I'm in love with Stacy's mom.